So over here, you can see that on my desktop, I have a plain background right here, which says blue in color. You can change the background color by right-clicking on desktop and by going into the personalize option right here. So once you click on personalize, the setting opens up right here, and here you can see under background, you can choose whatever background color you want. Let me just click and drag this around so that you can see the background as well. So if I were to click on any of the color right here, you can see that the background color changes according to what I choose right here. So you can choose whatever you want. You can also go around and choose a custom color right here. So if I were to go around and click on custom color, you can choose whatever color you want. As you can see right here, you can go around, choose this, decrease this or increase this out. And over here, you can see that you can add in custom values according to what you want as well. And the background color will be changed. As you can see, you can go around right here, press done, and another background color is changed out accordingly. So let me just go around and choose this color itself, as you can see. And under background, what you also have is you got different options. Right now, you can see the background is set as solid color. But if I were to go around, you can also go around and choose picture right here. So now you can see that the background color is a picture right here. You can go around, select different pictures according to what you like. You can also go around and browse a picture of your choice. So let me just go around and click on browse. So if I were to go around onto my drive right here, so if I were to go around into, let's say for example, in picture, so let me just go around into pictures folder right here. You can go around and select the picture that you want. So let me just zoom in right here. So you can select out picture that you want, choose the picture, and there you go, that gets set as the background for the desktop, as you can see. You can go around and choose how you want the picture to be filled out. So right now you can see fill is here. If I were to choose to fit right here, it fits out the picture without stretching it out. You can go around right here, stretch it out as well. You can tile it out as well. So especially when your image is small, this actually works. So I'm just going to go around over here onto a console right here. Let me just choose this. You can see that as I choose fill, it fills out the entire screen. Fit, it fits out the screen. Stretch, it stretches everything out right here. Tile, it tiles out everything, as you can see. You can center this out as well so that only the picture is seen in the center in its original size, as you can see. You can span this out over here as well so that it covers up multiple screens if you have that as well. So let me just go around over here and select out different picture that I have and set it to, let's say for example, fit right here. Once I choose fit, what happens is that on the sides, you can see a color, and that's the background color that you choose right here. So if I were to choose this, you can see that background color according to how you choose it are applied onto this. So let me just go around and select the navy blue color that I started with and select out, let's say for example, solid color itself, and this is what you have. Alternatively, you can also go for slideshow right here, and you can browse out the pictures right here. So you can select out multiple pictures. So let's say, for example, if I were to go around and type in, let's say pictures right here. So you can go around and select out the folder where you have the pictures, select it out, and you can choose how often the pictures should be changed out from that folder. So every 1 minute, the pictures will be changed out from that folder right there. So similarly, that is how you can do that. And you can let it change serially, or if you were to turn on shuffle, then it'll change out randomly as well. So if you want to set it back into solid color, simply select solid color, and this is what you have, and then you're back to where you started from. So that is how you can change around your background inside of Microsoft Windows 11. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe